Hello and welcome to another update video about ADA Cardano. We are still tracking here a potential Elliott wave triangle which is unfolding sideways. Just sideways correction basically of the December lows down here in a wave 3. I'm currently tracking this Elliott wave triangle as a potential wave 4, which might peak after the next lower high. So a triangle is always a 5-wave move. It consists of corrective wave structures, and it looks like we completed a C wave lately and we are now in the D wave. What I cannot rule out is that we are still in the C wave, but due to the strong rejection up here, I currently assume we are already in the D wave. What you need to know about these Elliott wave triangles: C waves are oftentimes quite complex in these triangles. A C wave is very often the most complex wave. D waves can be complex, but they're typically just normal ABC structures. An E wave can sometimes be a triangle itself, which makes it super complex. Okay, but yeah, it can be just huge, long, boring sideways action. I mean, that is basically what the ADA chart is like. That's why I think the tracking of a triangle wave count is the correct decision and the correct call here at the moment. Now, looking at this, if we say, okay, we are in the D wave, it is a corrective structure. I did explain to you before that as long as we're holding the trend line, I think even though we are sort of in neutral space, I did highlight that between 30.5 cents, which was here somewhere, and the 38-cent level, it's basically neutral. You could call it a waiting room. Above 38 cents, upside pressure, below 30.5 cents, downside pressure, and that sort of has been the right call. I think we broke below the trend line eventually. That was the signal that we are probably going for this support area here, which I don't want to call a clear setup. That's why I highlighted it in a different color, right? I highlight this here just because this is the area, basically a target where I would expect this D wave to get into. I showed you in the previous video how this was calculated. It is basically between 23.3 cents and 28.5 or 28.8 cents. We're nearly there now. Haven't really touched it yet, but nearly. And yeah, eventually I think this should still go a little lower. I mean, you can always come up with different wave structures here and corrective structures, but essentially what I'm watching for is I take the ABC, which is the most simple corrective structure that should unfold here in the D wave. And as soon as it's complete, I'm watching for an impulsive reversal. If that doesn't happen, we might deal with a more complex WXY structure. And at the moment, I'm already looking at this as an ABC structure and the C wave as being the diagonal structure. And diagonal structures are very complex. So we're dealing with corrective subwaves in the waves. And if this is a C wave, then I think we are in the 5th wave, which is an ABC structure. You can always ask if you have questions. I know it's quite a complex count, but we've got that everywhere at the moment in the altcoin sector. You know, I can't do anything about it. I'm not making these markets. Be aware that this B wave now is something that I'm watching for. Nothing that I would say, go and trade this long. That would be ridiculous. It would be a corrective bounce that's currently expected. Only a sustained break above 30.8 cents would make me consider something more something different, maybe something more bullish. But at the moment, I'm tracking here just a potential B wave that could unfold. But the market hasn't given us any clear indication that a B wave has started yet. And then we should get a C wave down, okay, deeper into the support area. So yeah, I guess an A wave is nearly complete. Maybe one more low here in the A wave. 28.8 cents is support. And as long as that level is holding, a B wave rally would be expected. And as long as we stay below 30.7 cents, lower is expected generally in the C wave. Yeah, that's my update about ADA. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.